slowly getting this thing put out. Got some sub stuff in there I don't think I can get to. Need the pros here. More fire coming in underneath. Yeah, it's flaring up back there. I can get it above. I really hope I don't get struck by lightning out here. Come on, guys, you need to get here soon. See the fire going back there, it's pretty big. It's gonna take him a little bit to respond, so I'm just trying to keep this wet. Trees smoldering above me. Can you see it or not? I don't know if we got nailed though. Please don't strike me. Come on. Go out. I don't have enough firepower here. Yeah, it's flaring up good now. I can't keep it. Another one over there. We had nothing better than holding on to metal during a lightning storm. Interrupting my movie. I think I'm getting it. Done. I hate lightning. Really not easy to fight. Firemen get here. I can still hear it. Anything else back there? Yeah, there is. Damn it. Well, I don't see much else. fire. Yeah, it's time to go inside. Let those guys get here. All right, well, amateur firefighter days are over here.